All right, guys, we got something a little bit different today. The folks at AIUITIO, or I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, but something like that, approached me and asked me if I wanted to take a look at their Nutsert or their Rivnut setter tool. And I said, sure, send it over. I'll take a look at that thing. But not only did they send one, they sent two of them. So we're probably going to be doing a giveaway with this one pretty soon, so stick around and find out how you can win that. That should be pretty cool. This will just be a short video. We're going to take a look at the tool and do a quick demonstration with it. All right, let's get it open here. Okay, so obviously it comes with the owner's manual. Comes with the tool itself. So not only does it come with the inserts, but it comes with all these different, I guess you would call them arbor sizes for all the different sized inserts. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 13 different sizes, and it comes with one already installed in the tool, and it comes with an empty container to put that one in when you take it out to put in a different size. And of course it comes with a bunch of inserts with the kit. These are M12s, these are half 13s, and you've got a kit here with a bunch of SAE standard sizes, and then there's another kit like this down here with metric inserts. So it comes really well equipped. It's a very complete set, and looks pretty well made, to be honest with you. But I'm going to get the tool out of here. I'm going to get the arbor installed for the size of insert that we're going to be using today, and I'll get right back with you. Okay, I forgot to mention also in the kit is this tool that comes with it, and this is a tool for helping to change the attachments here. Unthread the nut, unthread the head of the tool, pull this, there's a collar in here, pull that collar down, unthread the arbor. So this nut goes with that arbor, and this is the nut the size we're going to be using. Again, pull the collar down, thread the arbor in, and then just rotate that a little bit until the collar can slide back up. Take the head of your tool back and screw that back in. Snug finger tight, and then screw in the collar here into the head of the tool. So this centerpiece here spins, and that just rotates your mandrel, or your arbor, I guess I called it, your mandrel. Open up the arms. It comes out. Thread your insert on here. The better the fit in the hole, the better you are, the better result you're going to have. All right, guys, I had to do a quick reset there. I ended up not having the proper fasteners for that. I thought I did, but I didn't have the proper fasteners, so we went up to quarter 20 this time. I've already got it changed out, so let's pick up where we left off. So anyway, you thread the insert onto the mandrel, the arbor, whatever you want to call it, and then I'm going to rotate this a little bit, put one handle up against my body here, and then just crimp down on it. Tighten the center shaft up, so screw it back tight to the head of the tool again. And I want to give this another tighten up here. Then you just spin this center shaft, unscrew it from the mandrel. And there you go. You've got a nice threaded insert into this piece of metal. You can see on the back side how it looks on the back side there. And I'm going to do one more. So let's put another insert on here. I guess I don't really know when to tell you when to stop. It's not like a It's not like a pop rivet where it snaps off and then you're done. You don't want to go so hard that you break or snap the mandrel shaft. You can usually feel it in the levers when it's like okay, there's not much left. It doesn't want to give anymore. That's when you probably want to stop. Unthread it from the shaft. And there we go. We got two. If you can see that. They are a pretty handy fastener in certain situations. A few warnings about these, though. The thinner the metal that you install these into, the easier it is for these inserts to just rip right out. Like, I wouldn't install a set of seat belts with these. I wouldn't install, like, say, a car seat to the floor of a car with a set of these. You know, use proper nuts and bolts for stuff like that. But for smaller stuff or stuff that, is no vibration or, low load areas, this is perfect. So, and then just to show you here, give them a snug. I know this is not the proper wrench, but it happens to be here on my desk. So we're going to use it. And look at there, you've got a nice sturdy connection. So there you have it, guys. I showed you earlier in the video that I have two sets of these, or two complete sets of this kit. The tool that I used in the video I'm keeping for myself. The other one's still wrapped in cellophane. We're going to hold a giveaway for that, but we're not going to have the contest right now. We're going to wait till just after Black Friday, after Thanksgiving, maybe the first part of December. We're going to have a drawing for that. So please watch for those videos to come out. Just know that there is a giveaway coming. But that's all I have for today. Like I said, drop a comment below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.